Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to crochet these beautiful shoes for 2 years old baby. Very easy to make and beginner friendly tutorial. So let's get started and just make it with me. For this tutorial here I am using this color of yarn, a scissors, 4mm of crochet hook, a gun glue, and this crochet shoe sole. I already uploaded this tutorial on my YouTube channel. You can watch them. Very easy to make, and also this teddy bear tutorial on my YouTube channel. So let's get started. For this, hold yarn like in fingers. Here I am using crochet sole. Insert your hook into the back side of the shoes like here. Here we have 2 loops. Insert your hook into the back loop and make a slip stitch, yarn over and pull it. Here we have slip stitch. After that, chain 3, yarn over, pull it, yarn over, pull it, and yarn over, pull it. Next we're gonna make double crochet stitch in every chain below. So yarn over, insert the hook into the next chain, pull the yarn. Here we have 3 loops, yarn over, pull it, first 2 loops, again yarn over, pull it, second 2 loop, yarn over, insert the hook into the next chain, pull the yarn over, pull it, first 2 loops, again yarn over, pull it, second 2 loop. This is double crochet stitch. Make 1 double crochet stitch in each chain below, but still remember you will gonna make stitches only in back loop. Here we have 2 loop chain, so make sure you will make double crochet stitches only in back loop. Repeat the same pattern, make 1 double crochet in each chain below. Here you see clearly when we make 1 double crochet, the stitch is gonna be upside, just because there is no round and there is no increase stitch. So repeat the same pattern, make 1 double crochet in each chain below. If you need any question about this tutorial, let me know in the comment. This tutorial is very easy and beginner friendly, so just repeat it and create a small and the cute baby shoes for 2 years old baby. Just repeat same pattern, make 1 double crochet in each chain below until you complete the total of round. Here my first round complete. You see clearly the stitch is gonna be upside. Now I make my last stitch, yarn over, insert the hook into the last chain, pull the yarn over, pull it, first 2 loops, again yarn over, pull it, second 2 loops. Insert your hook into the first of 3 chain and pull yarn twice and make slip stitch. Here my first round complete. You see clearly how look it is. Next we're gonna repeat the same pattern on top. For the next row here I'm going to make chain 1 and then repeat the same pattern of 1 double crochet in each chain below. Yarn over, insert your hook, pull the yarn over, pull it, first 2 loops, again yarn over, pull it, second 2 loops, yarn over, insert your hook, pull the yarn over, pull it, first 2 loops, again yarn over, pull it, second 2 loop. Repeat the same pattern of 1 double crochet stitch and make 1 double crochet stitch in each chain below until you complete the total of second round. As repeat, you complete the total of first round. Here you see the stitches clearly. Make 1 double crochet in each chain below until you complete the total of second round and reach into the last. Here my second round complete. I already make stitch, slip stitch into the last. Now the third row will be little bit different. In this row I am going to make chain 1 and then in first chain and second I am going to make join stitch. For making join stitch, yarn over the hook, just yarn over the hook, insert your hook into the first chain, pull the yarn over, pull it only first 2 loops like this. Again yarn over the hook, insert your hook into the next chain, pull the yarn over, pull it into first 2 loops. Here we have 3 loops on hook, yarn over, pull it into 3 loops. This is the first join stitch. Next I am going to make 1 double crochet stitch in next 20 chain until I reach into the center part. Just make 1 double crochet in each chain, and when we reach into the center, in center we're gonna make total of 4 join stitch. So repeat the same pattern of 1 double crochet stitch and complete the total of 20 double crochet in next 20 chains. Here my 20 double crochet complete. Next I'm going to make 4 join stitch in next 8 chains. So yarn over, insert your hook, pull the yarn over, pull it first 2 loops, again yarn over, insert your hook into the second chain, pull the yarn over, pull it first 2 loops, yarn over, pull it into 3 loop, again yarn over, insert your hook into the next chain, pull the yarn over, pull it first 2 loops, make repeat same pattern into second loop, yarn over, pull it into 3 loop, make 2 more join stitch in next 4 chains. The one join stitch is only in make 2 chains below. This is my third join stitch. Make 1 more into the last, just pull it first 2 loops and pull it into 3 loop. Here my 4 join stitch complete. Next I'm going to repeat same pattern, 20 double crochet stitches in 20 chains. Here my 20 double crochet complete. Now I have only last chain, like last 2 chain. Here I make again 1 join stitch, pull it first 2 loops, again yarn over, insert your hook, pull the yarn over, pull it first 2 loops, yarn over, pull it into 3 loops. Here my last join stitch complete. Insert your hook and pull yarn twice, make sub stitch. Here my third round complete. You see clearly how look it is. Then join stitches for closing the stitches. Next I'm going to make the upper part of the shoe. So here I'm using again the pink color of yarn. So hold yarn like in fingers. Here I'm going to make total of 10 chain first. First I'm going to make slip knot, insert your hook, wrap yarn around it, yarn over and pull it. Here we have first loop, and on this loop I'm going to make total of 10 chain, yarn over, pull it, yarn over, pull it, yarn over, pull it, and complete the total of 10 chains. Here my 10 chains complete. Next I'm going to make single crochet stitch. Skip first chain, insert your hook into the second chain. Just skip first chain, insert your hook in like here into the second chain. Pull the yarn. Here we have 2 loops on hook, yarn over, pull it into a 2 loop. Insert your hook into the next chain, pull the yarn over, pull it into a 2 loop. Insert your hook, pull the yarn over, pull it into a 2 loop. This is the single crochet stitch. Repeat same pattern, make 1 single crochet in each chain below into the first row only. Insert your hook, pull the yarn over, pull it into 2 loop. Insert your hook, pull the yarn over, pull it into 2 loop. Repeat same pattern until you complete the total of 9 single crochet stitches. This is just because we skip 1 chain into the first, so in the end we have total of 9 double crochet stitches. This is my last stitch. Now for the next row will be little bit different, because from the next row I'm going to make join stitch on sides. So turn it. For making join stitch, insert your hook into the first chain and second chain and make join stitch. Insert your hook, pull the yarn, again insert your hook into the next chain, pull the yarn. Here we have 3 loops, yarn over, pull it into 3 loop, and just we're gonna make total of join stitch on side, and in center we will make 1 single crochet in each chain below. Just insert your hook, pull the yarn over, pull it into 2 loop until you reach into the last 2 chains. Here my center part complete, and here I make join stitch in the last. Insert your hook, pull the yarn, insert your hook, pull the yarn over, pull it into 3 loop, chain 1 on top and turn your work like this. In first I'm going to make join, insert your hook, pull the yarn, insert your hook, pull the yarn over, pull it into 3 loop, and in center I'm going to make 1 single crochet stitch like this. Repeat the same pattern until you complete the 6 rounds. Here my 6th round complete. Chain 1, pull the yarn over and cut it with your scissors in the last. After cutting the yarn, pull the leftover yarn tightly and secure your work in the last. Next I'm going to join this with the shoe part. So in the center like this, here I'm going to join this. For joining both parts each other, I'm going to make single crochet stitches. So let's get started and make 1 row of single crochet stitch. Insert your hook. For single crochet I'm going to make chain 1, and then I'm going to make 1 single crochet in each chain below. So insert your hook into the first chain, pull the yarn over, pull it into 2 loop. Insert your hook, pull the yarn over, pull it into 2 loop. Repeat the same pattern, make 1 single crochet in each chain below until you reach into the center, and join the second part on the top of the shoe. Now here I'm going to join this. For joining this, place it into the center like here. Insert your hook into the both side of the loop and make single crochet stitch. I will show you clearly in this video, so don't forget any part of the video for making any mistake. If you need any question about this tutorial, let me know in the comment. Follow each step of the video for complete the tutorial. Here you see clearly how I make this. Just insert your hook into the both side of the loop and make single crochet stitch. Repeat the same pattern until you complete the total of round and reach into the last. Here my round complete. I completely join it with single crochet stitch. Next I'm going to make slip stitch into the last of the chain. Insert your hook and pull yarn twice. After that, chain one on top, pull the yarn over and cut it with your scissors. Just cut it into the center like this. After cutting the yarn, pull the leftover yarn tightly and secure your work in the last. Next I'm going to hide my leftover yarn inside the stitches. Make sure you will take inside the stitches, insert your hook into the stitches and just pull the leftover yarn inside the stitches. This step is for making your work neat and clean, so make sure you will hide all the leftover yarn after completing your work. So here you see clearly my work look neat and clean after completing my work and hide my leftover yarns. So this is the complete and the final look of crochet shoe. Now in the end I'm going to attach a teddy bear charm on the top, add some glue on the top and just attach it on the top of the shoe. Press it tightly and make sure you will dry all the glue. So here you go. This is the complete and the final look. Let me know in the comments how look it is. Very easy to make and beginner friendly tutorial. I already make another one with the same pattern like this. So this is the complete pair of crochet shoe. If you like this tutorial, don't forget to like, comment and also subscribe my YouTube channel for more crochet ideas. So stay with me for my next crochet tutorial. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.